Hello everyone, just a quick video on my Tacoma. I did the suspension. I did OME, like a 2-inch lift with the upper control arms and the Dakar leaf springs about 2 years ago. Like the stance, it can take a whole lot more weight to the truck without sagging. Before, the back would, you know how they get. You put in 200-300 pounds and it sags. Now 200-300 pounds, you can't notice anything. So I don't know what the rating is for the leaf springs for the Dakars, but anyway, but my beef is as good as they are, and of course they are a stiffer ride, they suck. Like these Dakars have been squeaking since about 2-3 months after I put them in. I think it was as soon as maybe it got rainy out or colder, the rust maybe gets in there. I don't know what it is. I've heard different stories, and I tried to fix them. So I'll show you how I tried to fix them, and I want your guys' recommendations on what I should do next. It's either going to be replace them with total new leaf springs that give me that 2-inch lift, or I'm going to add a leaf to the original Toyota springs, and I'm thinking that's the cheaper route. I haven't looked at any pricing yet, but again, let me know what you think, and if there's anyone's got any good experiences or recommendations, I'll take them, because I don't have time to sit around researching all these things. I did my research and look what happens. Anyway, let's check them out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I did the infamous zip tie fix. See all the little zip ties on them? Everywhere. And it did stop, and then it started again, and then I fixed them again. I don't know if you can see in there too. Yeah, everywhere where the pads, I guess, are. I think that's the issue. It's not the bushings at the back. I guess they would be right up in there. It's not those, it's actually these. It fixes them. And I'll show you what I mean now. I'll get on the back and jump. So yeah, there you have it. You heard the squeaking. I'm sure there's many people that are familiar with that sound. Let me know if there's any simple fixes. I've heard people, they undercoat them or they do some sort of spray on them. I don't know if it works or not. I haven't read the forums in a while, probably since last year, but I figured I'd take it to you guys and let me know what you think. I guess it's replace them, add a leaf to the old ones, or if there's a simple fix, I'd be more than happy to know. So yeah, for anyone that's been watching my Altezza video, I'm waiting on some brakes. I ordered some brakes and I don't want to switch out the suspension without doing the brakes when the wheels are off. So I'm just waiting on those. They were back ordered. Some, what were they? The British ones, the EBC brakes. And I think they're a nice mid-range brake. So I'm waiting on those before I get into it, but I will be updating that car and posting a new video as soon as those come in and I get the parts switched over. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, leave me your comments so I can figure this thing out.